Alright guys, so we're down here in the shop. It's Tuesday. It is really hot. We got the window unit over there running. It's super hot. We're about to work on trying to get some AC.
In eco mode.
Yeah, in the eco mode.
Not cool mode, but
yeah.
Eco mode.
We're about to work on trying to get some AC in the race car trailer. I'll show that to you in just a second, but luckily the racetrack at North Georgia this past weekend was not muddy. It was more dusty than it was muddy. So Dallas, she just went and washed our tires yesterday with a pressure washer. She's got to buff them and get them ready for this coming up weekend. I've already checked all the nuts and bolts on the car yesterday. Didn't worry about washing the car. We're just gonna wipe it down, call it good. But I went ahead and re-smashed all the shocks, springs, checked all the nuts and bolts, greased the front end, sprayed the Heims, got all that ready to go. So the car's, other than charging the battery here in just a minute, the car's ready to load on the trailer. We do have to pretty much have it. We do got to pretty much have the trailer loaded up tonight, other than the car and the tires. So it's pretty much got to be ready to go tonight. However, like I said, we're still trying to get some AC put on the race car trailer. But we've also got the bread van here. This is going to be our new hauler. What do you guys think about that? Y'all think we need to bring that out of retirement? Give it a good pressure washing? I mean, gas prices are down now, so that old 350 there, she should get some pretty good fuel mileage. Transmission just leaks a little. We have to throw transmission fluid in it every now and then. Plenty of room back there to sleep. We have slept in it one time. Wasn't very comfortable, but we did. The air conditioner on the van here is these two doors being wide open. The heat, that would be, there is no heat, so you know. But I think it'd be a good race car hauler. Oh, there's red wolf's nest. Y'all see that? Anyway,
Where?
see that air conditioner up on top up there? That air conditioner is gonna go on top of that, just to give us some chill, somewhere to get in out of the heat. This coming up week, well, Thursday, and then being at Magnolia next week for 3 nights, just giving us somewhere to get in and kind of cool off. It may not be a long period of time, but at least we can hop up in there. I do have the ceiling. I don't know if you can see those blue marks, but where I built the bracing for that AC unit when we built the trailer, I've got the roof marked out right there. I heard a kid screaming. I thought, I knew Maggie was on the razor there. So, one thing, when that was on the enclosed trailer we had a bigger generator, which that other generator wasn't as efficient as this generator. This generator is only a 4500. I think the other one was like a 6500. This generator here, when the compressor kicks on, it starts surging, but if you just run a fan, it'll run it. So I got to doing some research, and I found out they make these things called soft start kits, where you basically put a soft start on a capacitor there for the AC unit. That should be here tomorrow, coming through the mail, hopefully. And we're going to try to wire that up and hopefully still be able to use that smaller generator there, because a soft start kit is much cheaper than a generator. So that's a great generator right there. It's a little bit smaller, but we may have to turn the AC off when we're using the tire grinder or the battery charger or something like that. But nonetheless, we can at least, there is a setting on that AC where it just has a fan option only. So it'll at least give us somewhere to get in out of the heat for just a second and just kind of cool down for a second anyway. So that's our plan for today. I'm gonna get in there and get Dallas started on the tires, get her pointed in the right direction, and that's gonna be pretty much what me and my dad will probably focus on today. Like I said, the car's Car's pretty much ready to load on the trailer.
All right, guys, so I haven't shown this just yet. Haven't even picked up the camera. I've been working on tires, and the guys have been out here working on this. So I'm gonna show you what they've been working on currently. So this is the air conditioner that Chris bought a while ago. We actually had it on the enclosed, and when we got rid of the enclosed, we got it off. So they're working on getting it in here, getting it all wired up, because it's getting hot. I don't know how it is where y'all are, but it's getting hot in Alabama. It's in the hundreds. So we need a little bit of air conditioner. We do plan on being at Magnolia on Thursday. And if you've ever been in the Mississippi heat, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, all this area of heat is just like, it's completely different. It's completely different because it is so humid. So even though it's like the heat index is say 108 or whatever, it literally feels like it's 200 degrees. It's so hot because it's just stuffy. It's like so stuffy you can't breathe. So they're trying to get that on there so that we don't pass out from heat exhaustion. We're working on tires. I've been working on these. I'm just getting Brad to do the ones around it real quick, and then see if we can get this bad boy done. And then hopefully we'll be finished with tires and be ready to load up as far as the race car. Race car's done, isn't it, babe?
Pretty much.
Okay, race car's pretty much done. We've just got to finish up tires and finish on the trailer.
Hi guys, so I don't know if Dallas done any video or not, but I did a little bit earlier. We got the air conditioner installed on the trailer. We plugged it up. Everything seemed to work. Got to get a couple more sheet metal screws to mount the base, or the plastic piece, the decorative piece, let's just say that. Get that mounted and it'll be ready to go. It seemed to be working fine. Dallas got the tires done. Like I said, the car's pretty much ready to go. Bubba's over there. Hey Alexa, play Renegade. Keep singing it so Bubba will dance.
There it is.
They both like Renegade by Styx and Won't There It Is. You can play both of those songs and Briar goes to dancing. But the car's pretty much ready to go. I got just, like I said, just got to wipe it down, clean it off a little somewhat. Just charge the batteries and we should be ready to roll out Thursday morning. So we're going to sign off here tonight. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all of our partners, Warp Speed Performance Parts, WJI Enterprise, Berry Apparel Co., Conqueror Race Cars, PPM Racing Products, BB Designs, Booger Brooks Racing, Penske Shocks, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes, GetMyInternet.com, Acelo Racewear, all you guys over here on YouTube. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Head over to Patreon, get signed up over there, and you can catch up with us a little bit more real in-time updates. And I believe Magnolia has a Mag TV subscription you can get signed up and watch it on if you're not able to be there. So I'm not sure how much it is, but I do believe they have their own streaming service. So we'll catch you guys later on. Appreciate it.